How should I run data checks? We break this down into two types of data checks: identify and confirm that. Identify is required to provide information. If we look at the first data check, we want to know how many animals are in the source data set, in this case 6. Confirm that is phrased in such a way that a successful data check results in 0 records. Looking at the second data check, we can see that there are no duplicate records on the anchor field animal, a very important criteria for any subsequent analysis. The gap stats, count or number, is 0, column K, and the gap percentage is 0, column M. This is successful and is automatically shown in green via conditional formatting. The third data check shows that data has not been completely maintained. In this case, 2 of the 6 records, 33%, are missing the weight of the male animal. This is automatically reflected in yellow. We discuss using pivot tables to run data checks in How can I determine the quality of data for data checks? In summary, we use identify to provide count data and confirm to ensure that the data check passes with a 0 gap.